Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about is Remitly safe for international money transfers? When sending money across borders, security is naturally a top concern. Remitly is a legitimate, fully regulated financial services company rather than a scam. It is registered as a money services business with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network in the United States and is authorized by regulatory bodies worldwide, including the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom. To protect user funds and personal information, Remitly employs industry-standard security measures. These include two-factor authentication, SMS notifications for transaction tracking, and advanced encryption technologies such as transport layer security to secure data in transit. Furthermore, customer funds are typically held in secure, segregated accounts separate from the company's operating funds. Like any financial platform, user safety also depends on smart practices. Scammers sometimes attempt to trick individuals into sending money to unfamiliar recipients. Remitly cannot recover funds once a transfer has been successfully collected by the recipient, so users must verify the identity of the person they are sending money to and avoid transferring funds to unknown third parties. Overall, Remitly is a secure and reliable platform for international transfers when used carefully and for legitimate transactions. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.